D Brooks exclusive.
What's up, you guys? I just wanted to come back and share with you all. I just got a package in the mail. It's probably small, and it was from me when I went downtown. I smelled a perfume that I really liked, and unfortunately Sephora doesn't have it in stock. So I went on Huda Beauty's website and I picked up their, it's like a discovery sampler. And yeah, it was $25. I got 10% off, and I wanted to just try out all of the perfumes before I really make my decision. So I'm going to show you really quick what I got. Let's see, it came this cute with a little paper with the lips on there with bubble wrap. And it says I got a Huda Beauty mascara and a Thirst Trap Juice serum. So let's look inside and see what we have, and then we're gonna check out. Okay, so we have a Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. This is peptide serum, HA, and serum hyaluronic 3 times ox peptide. I don't know, girl, but this is what we have here. Let me turn y'all down a little bit. And that is it. Okay, and it has like this little cute serum bottle, so maybe we'll try that. Then I got a Huda Beauty You Deserve the Best lashes. We are legitimately swear to give you major volume and always provide dramatic curl, insane length, and yeah, this. Okay. I don't know what to think about this. I don't know if you can reuse this. Let's see. Yeah, you'll be able to reuse it. Oh, the brush is a little different. I was trying to see if I can reuse it, and you can. So they give you 2, which is cool. And lastly, what I ordered was their sampler, and this is how their sampler looks. Looks like that. Now I wish that they had like that Sephora where if you do like a perfume, you can use some of the money towards a perfume. They should have made it like that, but unfortunately they don't. But that's still okay. And I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 8 perfumes. This is cute. So I have 8 KAYALI Discovery Sampler perfumes, and the one that I really do love is, and the one that I do really like is Vanilla 28. But we are going to try all 8 of them, okay? So I'm going to get a napkin, and I'm going to spray the napkin, and I'm going to smell it and see what I think. I'm going to tell you my opinion on it. All right, beauty. So the first one is called Elixir 11. And this is like their sample. I can't believe it was $25. Okay. Wave that a little bit. It smells nice. On the first smell, it smells a little on the mature side, like someone in their 70s would rock this. It smells nice for a person like in their 70s. I think a church, when I smell that, like one of the mothers hugging you or praying for you, this is something that they would wear. And we're gonna move to the next one, which is Citrus number 8. And they do have it on here, KAYALI, and then they have Citrus number 8 on it, so you won't get confused if they do get mixed up. So we're gonna spray that one too. This is fun to do. A video dedicated just to KAYALI sampler set. Okay, this one smells good. This one smells familiar. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells familiar. It smells like my mom when she wears her back in the day when she used to wear her liquid deodorant. This one's pretty good. I like that. Okay, so that one was Citrus 28. I'm going to skip over Vanilla because I'm going to make that my last. I'm going to be spraying that on my arm. We're going to go to Musk number 12. I didn't know she made all of these. KAYALI. And this spray comes out really strong. You probably don't need that much. Oh, this smells. This is good. This is really good, y'all. This is Musk number 12. It's like a soft. It's like a soft vanilla musk. Clean smell. It smells really good. I'm pleasantly surprised. This is something that I would definitely rock. I like that. Musk 20. Yes. Yeah, so we have. Oh, that smells good. I love it. Yes. I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, so we have number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do now Deja Vu White Flower. I smelled that in the store. I wasn't really feeling that. It was like a little bit strong in my opinion. It smelled like a man, like cologne. But right now it's smelling pretty good. Okay, this one smells good. In Sephora it smelled weird to me. Let me see, do they make 2? Nope. Maybe they had me smell invite only. I don't know, let's see, we'll see. But this one smells good too. It's called Deja Vu White Flower, and it smells like a caramel mixed with a hint of white flour. Girl, I don't know my notes, but one thing I can tell you if it smells good or not. And this one is really a really nice scent. Okay, then we have Invite Only Amber 23 Intense. I'm gonna spray that one and I'm gonna tell y'all what I think. Yeah. It has that, in my opinion, it reminds, for those of you all who might like YSL Libre, you might like this. I don't know what this is. I don't know if something is playing a major part in it. Let's see. What is in here? Invite Only. Black Cherry. I like that. Honey de Provence. I like that. Tobacco Leaf. I like that. Amber Resin. I like that. And Vanilla Madagascar. Maybe it's the Vanilla Madagascar. I don't know. I don't like it. Yeah, it is the Vanilla Madagascar. It's. I don't. Let's put that down. So far out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of the 6 fragrances so far, that's really the only one that I don't really care for. I can do Elixir number 11. Now that it dried down, I can do Elixir number 11, but I can get what, wait. Yeah. I can do mainly all of them, but Invite Only is like a no. No. Let's see what this Pink Diamond Pink Pepper number 25 Intense smells like, because I had that in my Sephora cart and they didn't have it. I wanted to smell it. I couldn't smell it because downtown didn't carry it, and usually downtown carries everything. So we're gonna see what this smells like. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. I like this. I see why I sold out. Okay, so the Vanilla 2028, and this one I would definitely want in my collection. This one smells sweet. It seems like you can actually mix it with something. I'm gonna see how it wears on, because it might like get on my nerves. And the last one is called Utopia Vanilla number 28 actually it's called Utopia Vanilla Coco number 21 Intense. And we're gonna spray that one. So Utopia Vanilla Coco Intense and Deja Vu and Invite Only are the only two that I don't like out of this. The one that smells like the mother of the church that prays for you, that one was, it was okay, but it was more on the mature side. I might like it, I don't know, but so far I don't like Utopia Vanilla. Okay, and the last one I want to go back to is Vanilla number 28. I'm going to spray that because I have nothing on. I'm going to spray that on my arm. Spray a little bit more. That one smells so good. And the pink, the Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper, I'm going to spray that on this arm and we shall see. Yeah, but I like this scent. This is really nice. I like this. I'm glad that I did this because I didn't want to blind buy and spend like $100 on a perfume that I could have took it back, but yeah, that one smells really good. It smells real clean, it smells caramelly vanilla in my opinion. It isn't like overpowering like some vanillas will give you a headache. It isn't like that. And this one I can smell the pepper. Let's see. That one I can smell the pepper is sweet. It actually reminds me of a Barbie doll. The way that it smells. Now that it's on my body and it's mixing with my body chemistry and everything, I'm still leaning towards getting Vanilla number 28. Yes. That's my jam, y'all. So you guys know once it comes in stock, and if it does come in stock and you see it, girl, just message me on Instagram, send me a message somewhere, child, and let me know so that I could place my order. But I love this. That smells good. This one, it's okay. It's okay, but I like them. They're nice. This is a real nice set. I'm glad that I ordered them, and yes, I can't wait. So don't forget, you guys, let me know if it comes in stock. Message your girl, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.